If you use Claude, you can connect it directly to your Goodword network. Here's how to set up the Goodword MCP. It takes about a minute. Head to your account settings in Goodword. You'll see two things you need here: the Claude plugin, download, and an API key. First, generate your API key, copy it. You'll need it in a second. Treat this like a password. Now download the Claude plugin. Once it's downloaded, click the file. It'll open directly in your Claude app. Click install, paste your API key, and you're in. One last thing. Make sure to flip that gray toggle at the top to enable. That'll ensure that you're able to use Goodword in Claude. Once you've installed the MCP, there's one more thing that makes Claude way more useful with Goodword: skills. These are pre-built workflows that teach Claude exactly how to work with your network. In your Goodword settings, download the skills zip file. Now go to Claude, open settings, then customize. Upload the zip file you just downloaded. Claude unpacks everything automatically. You'll see skills for things like meeting prep, debriefs, intros, and organizing your network. Start a new conversation and try it out. Let me know what you think. That's Goodword with Claude in a minute.